Good morning. Hey, beautiful family. No need for introduction. I'm going to get right into this video. I will be showing you a quick care routine for your long hair extensions. Okay? You know me.
Get your nails done, get a pedicure, get your hair did.
My God, it's wear a headband. You don't want to make it too tight. Okay, I'm going to adjust this about right there. Okay. This helps secure your lace and keep it intact a lot longer, the longevity of your lace. Then you're going to need Flexi rods, preferably purple, but I have a mixture. You only need about 6 or 7. All right, we're going to start in the back. We're going to start in the back, down the middle. Okay, down the middle. You got that? So once we start down the middle, we take a long section. Again, you only need about 6. So we're going to have 6 or 7. We're going to have 3 on each side. So you take your hair, okay, and you begin to wrap it towards the bottom. You start wrapping it at the bottom. I'm taking my right hand over to my left side, and I wrap starting, I wrap starting from the bottom. Okay, I start at the bottom because this hair is going to secure this. I like body, so I don't necessarily comb my hair out straight. I just leave it in its fallen state, and then I hold and wrap. You want to hold and wrap. Make sure you're getting it over the bottom. Hold and wrap. Hold and wrap. Right hand is holding the hair. Bottom hand is securing the bottom. And once you hold and wrap, you just hook it like a candy cane, and it's secure. Okay, let's do it again. Again, take a long section. Once you take that long section, I just comb with my hands. If you want to brush and do all that to your hair, you're more than welcome to. Just a quick at-home night care routine. So I take the bottom and I twist. Begin to twist the hair. Hold and twist. And then hook it. Now, again, I'm going to go ahead and show you a close-up of me doing this one front section. Wrap the bottom. Then you want to wrap and hold, getting the hair over the bottom. Wrap and hold. Again, I'm coming from my right hand over to my left, and I'm over my head. It is very important, the hand positioning and everything, so you can kind of get it exactly. And you just roll it, and you hook it at the top, and they're secured. Okay? Let's do this other side. It's probably going to be a little speeded up, and it's okay.
So you do this, grab that section, okay? This is going to help you not have heat damage. You do this at night, and then you release it in the morning. Again, you're rolling your hair away from the face, even on this side. You're rolling it away from the face, and then you're hooking it. And it's secure, okay? Left hand over. You're all done.
Then I take my Goddess hair wear bonnet, and I place it over here. And this helps okay. Then you lay down and sleep. And in the morning, you can undo everything. I'll show you how it looks after it sets. Good morning. It is the next day. Thank God that we have awakened. I'm going to go ahead and take down my hair. I actually took it down before and I forgot and I had to show you guys. So this is what happened. Okay, we're going to start with anywhere. So you want to remove your flexi rod one at a time. So we end it with the hook, and we're going to start with the hook. You can pull it from the top, preferably from the top, or you can pull it from the bottom. Okay, again, I only had 6, so let me take you through it. You open it and you release it. You don't want to unwind it. You just want to loosen it a little, and there you have it. Again, on the side, you unhook it. You want to loosen it a little, and then you pull from the bottom. You want to unhook it, loosen it a little, and pull from the bottom. And this is my, yeah. There you have it. So then you want to fluff out your hair. And no heat needed. Your hair is now curled. Now, sometimes I'll go in it and I'll set the base a little bit, but I want an effortless kind of day. So, oh, let me show you the back. Okay, you guys, there you have it. I'm going to remove this, and I removed it, and I am ready for work. Don't know about you, but I'm going to go to work, you guys. Beauties, I hope this video helped. I enjoy making it. Click the like button, subscribe, comment down below. I definitely, yeah, hope this helped.